Let's talk about oil. What's up investors, and welcome back to another video. If you're new to Recon Africa, they are on the OTC ticker RECAF or Reco on the TSX Venture Exchange. This is a company that I first covered on the channel last year, but they are about to start releasing good news again, and I expect to see a lot of progress. A lot of you have requested this video over the past few weeks, so before we get into it, if you like this content, can I ask you to smash the like button? It literally costs you nothing, but it helps me out so much. Small channels like this only grow if videos are getting likes and comments, so also drop a comment and let me know what you think of Recon Africa and your price target. It shows me that you want to see more content like this, but it also helps the video get seen by showing the YouTube algorithm that viewers are interested in this type of content. I'm aiming for 300 likes on this video. Let's make it happen. Subscribe to the channel if you're new and hit the bell notification so you never miss a video with the potential to make you money. I want to point out that I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. Now let's get into it. Who are Recon Africa? Recon Africa is a junior oil and gas company engaged in the exploration and development of oil and gas in northeast Namibia and northwest Botswana, known as the Kavango Basin. I first started talking about this company early last year when this stock was trading at less than $3. It eventually ran up to over $11 last summer, as this is one of the largest remaining oil opportunities left in the world today. The Kavango Basin is one of the largest undeveloped onshore basins globally, and this one company has licensed the entire Kavango Basin in Namibia and Botswana, which is a total of 8.5 million acres. Recon Africa holds 90% interest in a petroleum exploration license in northeast Namibia, which covers an area of 6.3 million acres, and based on commercial success entitles Recon Africa to a 25-year production lease that can be extended up to 35 years. Recon Africa also holds 100% interest in petroleum exploration rights in Botswana that covers an area of 2.2 million acres and entitles Recon Africa to a 25-year production lease over any commercial discovery that is extendable to a 45-year lease. The license agreement in Namibia and Botswana also call for royalties and corporation tax to be paid up to 35%, so this needs to be considered in any investment calculations. Recon Africa acquired a high-resolution magnetic survey of the area and conducted a detailed analysis of the resulting data and other available data, including reprocessing and reinterpretation of all existing geological and geographical data. The survey and analysis confirmed that the Kavango Basin reaches depths of up to 30,000 feet and is anticipated to hold an active petroleum system. The Kavango Basin has multiple play types across multiple prospective target horizons. Since my last video, Recon Africa have announced the completion of the second phase of seismic and commencement of the first seismic defined initial 4-well drilling program, with the first well scheduled to spud by June 25th. This press release just shows how much time and effort goes into this. 180,000 human hours were utilized during the campaign. As with the Phase 1 program, the company will utilize multiple processing companies to provide the best possible seismic images. The initial 4-well program will be executed continuously and will target seismic defined structures with the objective of testing 2 of 3 play types: oil-prone Karoo Rift Fill and intra-rift fault block plays. The drilling rig, JARV-1, is now on the first drilling location, ACE-2, rigging up and scheduled to spud by June 25th. Then the company announced that the spud of the first of 4 oil targets in the Kavango Basin on Monday. The A2 well will be drilled to the planned depth of approximately 9,000 feet and is designed to test potential conventional oil and associated natural gas reservoirs in the Karoo Rift Fill, the company's primary play. The well will also be drilled deeper into the pre-Karoo Molden and Otavi formations. These intervals correspond to zones in the company's first well, the 6-2, which is approximately 6.5 kilometers to the east and has good oil and gas shows. It is anticipated the well will reach total depth within 60 days from the initial spud, so we are talking about the end of August or early September for this. So let's look at the potential effects that this could potentially have. Here is a press release from April 7th, 2021, where Recon Africa had achieved total depth on the 6-2 well, the first well of 3 well drilling programs in the Kavango Basin. The stratigraphic test, well, has accomplished all the goals Recon Africa set for it. Now, at the time of this press release, the share price was less than $3. In fact, as we can see here, on April 7th, the share price was approximately $2.70. But this began to run shortly after, and the share price reached a high of $11 by mid-June. Now, I'm not saying that this will happen again, but we need to be aware that this could happen again. So I expect to see a lot of trading volume and the share price to rise once we get into August, if not before then. Guys, if you appreciate this type of analysis, then smash the like button, subscribe to the channel and follow me on Twitter. I try to keep regular updates on Recon Africa, and as far as I know, I'm the only YouTube channel that is trying to keep this up to date. When this stock starts to fly again, there will be a lot of channels making videos, but I am here now telling you about it while it's still cheap, not jumping on the wagon when it has already taken off. So smash the like button and subscribe. Plus, this will show me that you want to see more updates and will help keep the channel going. Another thing that is happening that may coincide with the completion of drilling is the annual Intercom conference. So last week, Intercom announced the preliminary presentation times and schedule for presenting companies at Intercom Denver. Registration began on Friday for one-on-one meetings with senior management teams of participating companies. Intercom Denver is the only world-class investor event that is open to all energy investors to meet with senior management teams of large groups of oil and gas companies at a single location. And the conference is due to take place from August 7th to August 10th. And of course, in this list of companies, Recon Africa's management will be at this event. The timing of this is good, as they should be over halfway through the drilling by the time this conference is happening. Late last week, on June 30th, Canaccord Capital Markets provided a new report on Recon Africa for the purpose of investor information, where they give an overview of the overall opportunity for Recon Africa. They set out key milestones and what to watch over the coming months. However, as we can see here, in the blue writing, they have not provided a recommendation or rating or price target with respect of this company. So we do not have a price target from Canaccord, but we do have a recent price target that was set in the past week by Haywood Securities, who have boosted their previous price target of $12.50 up to a new price target of $16. So it is very positive to see that Haywood Securities increasing their, now this price target is in Canadian dollars and not US, so this is approximately $12.80, but you still get huge upside from the current share price of Recon Africa, which is just $4. Recon would need to 3x to get to this price target, so it's an extremely positive rating overall. Looking at the charts, we can see that on the occasions over the past year where the price has dropped this low, it has generally found a level of support just above $3.50, and the main level of resistance just below $6. On average, this stock is trading in this level at around $5, so the current price of $4 seems like very good value at the moment, especially given the fact that we have upcoming catalysts in the coming months. So guys, that brings us to the end of the video. If you've watched all the way through, then you are a true legend, and I appreciate the time that you have given to watch this video. Let me know your thoughts about Recon Africa by dropping a comment down below. Let me know what price target you think that this will reach in the coming months. Subscribe to the channel if you're new, and follow me on Twitter to stay up to date, but remember that I am not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. So subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next update video.